a prairie rattlesnake. This female has spent the winter deep underground, sheltering from the cold, and she's not alone. As the sun warms their bodies, hundreds are coming back to life. They may not have eaten for 8 months, so they immediately head down to the plains to feed. But even though there's almost no food or water up here, this female stays behind because she's pregnant. With a growing belly, she's becoming slow and vulnerable to predators. So she remains up here where she can easily escape into the rocks. Already dehydrated and starving, it's a strategy that could kill her. For 2 months, she'll barely move, conserving all her energy. But for her babies to continue to grow inside her, she does need water. Droplets cling to microscopic grooves in her scales, so she can suck moisture from the surface of her 3-foot-long body. It's just enough to keep mom and babies alive. 3 months into her pregnancy, and a year since her last meal, her due date is finally here. Her contractions begin. She doesn't lay eggs. She gives birth to live young. Each is a perfect rattlesnake in miniature, coiled inside a thin membrane. A first breath. Although its tiny fangs are already loaded with venom, a baby's rattle is too small to make its trademark sound. By the end of the night, Mom delivers 6 more babies. They'll all spend the winter in the den. By next spring, Mom will have starved herself for 20 months. She's a real-life Western heroine.